Greetings, YouTube. Well, guys, you can see I've cleaned up my shop. I got my scaffolding over there so I can finish my ceiling over here. And like I said in many of my videos, I will be finished. So I got everything cleared up. Got a lot of stuff moved up there on my shelf. That's just temporarily. I'm gonna go through all that stuff because I still got to paint up there and I got to paint my shelf gray. But I'm going through all that stuff, and whatever I don't need is going to the burn pile or it's going to the trash. So got my floor all cleaned up, got stuff put here and there. I just got stuff out of the way so I can work here, because tomorrow, if I get time, I'm gonna work on fixing that, getting that duct done, and that's gonna be it for that. And then I'm gonna probably come out here. I'll probably come out here one day this week, and I'm gonna start running that installation. So I want to get that installation done. Actually, this week to be mid-December, it's going to be pretty nice, guys. We're going to be in the low 50s or the low 40s, upper 50s, mid 50s. So that's going to be nice. It's not going to be freezing cold. Today was kind of cold, but not like it has been. Let me see what the temperature is over here. Hit my racist thermometer. I am at, well, it's hard to see it. It's moving it with my phone. But I am at 50 degrees. See it right there? I'm at 50 degrees. So not too bad. So I got everything cleared out here so I can make way tomorrow if I got time. I don't know what tomorrow's going to be like. So I can get that duct finished. And then I can start getting some more of this wood out of here. So I can start prepping for my ceiling up there. I checked out the sheet metal. I'm using 12-foot sheets because it's 22-foot long. So I'm going to be using 12-foot sheets. They're $30 a piece. I'm going to need 14 of them. So I'm going to be about $420 on them. I got somebody knocking at my door over here, trying to creep in. But, well, guys, I just wanted to show you this. I know my video might be a little shaky because I'm holding my charger on one hand. See, my phone's almost dead. So I got my charger in my hand, charging my phone, and I'm walking around like this. So as soon as I get the rest of this finished, I can't wait. Then I'm gonna get me a car in here this winter and start working on it. So, and you can already see it starting to open up in here. All right, guys. Well, until the next time, like, share, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment down below. And, oh, another thing too, I'm gonna work on getting all this stuff off this floor, because you can see right here, see the gray? I've already started. Yep. I've already started. I painted that outside there because I didn't know when it was going to, I didn't know if cold weather was coming. So I painted outside there. So when I go to paint again, I can just trace around that door, the bottom of that door. And you won't be able to see it. You might be able to see it with the door open, but you won't be able to see it with the door closed. Which ain't no big deal to me, because once I start pulling cars in and out of here, it's going to be a mess anyway. So I don't know if I'm going to just paint it gray and go over it with epoxy, or just leave it gray and I can touch it up as I go down the road. So, all right, guys. Well, till the next time, y'all have a great week, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.